Hey everybody, today in this video we're going to be making frozen tater tots in the air fryer with garlic, rosemary, and chives. Let's begin. We have here 5 pounds of tater tots. We're just making a little bit. I just want to show you the bag. And we also have here some chives. This is the brand I'm using. And we're going to cut that up first. Okay, we're going to put this in a bowl. There we go. We're going to put this to the side. Now we're going to season the tater tots. We're just going to make enough to cover the basket of the air fryer. Okay, I think we have enough frozen tater tots to cover the surface of the basket of the air fryer. We're going to spray some olive oil on it. There we go. Then we're going to put some garlic powder on it. We're going to sprinkle a dash of salt, some sea salt. Sprinkle it lightly, you don't want too much on it. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to add some crushed rosemary. There we go. If you want, just roll it over just a little bit, flip them over. Spray a little bit more olive oil. Then add a little bit more garlic powder. And we're going to add some rosemary. Just a little bit, this time not too much. And we're going to add a dash of black pepper. So very lightly. There we go. This is what it looks like before we put it into the air fryer. We're going to turn it on. Whoops. We're going to turn it on. And then we're going to push the preheat button and start. We're going to let it preheat first and we'll be back. Okay, it's been preheated to 400 degrees. 400 degrees again. And for the time, we're going for 8 minutes. There we go, 8 minutes, and let's put it in. There you go. Shake them around, make sure they're nice and even, and now we're going to put it in. Okay, we're going to put it in. We're going to start for 400 degrees for a total time of 8 minutes, and we'll be back. Okay, it's been 4 minutes so far. We're at the halfway point. We're just going to shake them up. Release the basket. There you go. Gonna put it back in. For the last 4 minutes at 400 degrees. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been a total time of 8 minutes at 400 degrees. Let's take a look. Looking great. Yeah, looking good. Okay, so next thing what we're gonna do is put some Parmesan cheese on top. You have here some finely shredded Parmesan cheese. You can use this, or if you want, you can use this, the grated Parmesan cheese. But I prefer the finely shredded. Let's put some on top. Okay, we're going to take the Parmesan cheese. We're just going to sprinkle it on top. Okay, we're going to put it in. We're going for 300 degrees. For 1 minute. And we'll be back. Okay, it's been 1 minute at 300 degrees. Looking good. Let's take them out. If you want, you can add some more finely shredded Parmesan cheese on top. And next, we're going to add some chives on top. There we go. Okay, this is what we have today. Frozen tater tots made in the air fryer with Parmesan cheese, chives, rosemary, and garlic. I hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a like and subscribe for more future recipes. Let's give it a try. It's fantastic. This is really easy to make. You should definitely give this a try. I love the chives on it too. It's really good with the chives. Here, have a bite. And thanks for watching.